Yo, what's happening guys? Alright, excuse the shaky hand cam because I have broken all my tripods, so I'll have to jury rig something up a bit later. But as you can probably see behind me, this place is an absolute mess. So I've decided I can't do it anymore. It's got to get clean, something's got to be done. And one of my biggest problems I have at the moment is tires. So what I've decided to do is I've got a bunch of old Rio laying around from working on different civil sites. I've got absolute heap of it. So I decided I'm going to use some of them and make some tyre racks. Yo, Future Corey here. Alright, before you continue through into all the satisfying time lapses and me actually making some stuff and sorting this place out, make sure you stay through to the end because there'll be this channel's first unboxing and first kind of donation gift to the channel, and I'm really excited and I want you guys to share in that excitement as well. So I'll let you get to it and I'll see you at the end. So that's kind of the 3 tyre rack I've got. I've just welded it up. That's 4 L bars and 1 U bar to make the center divider. So let that cool off and we'll see if that works. If it works, time to make a bunch more. How sick is that? I'm gonna have tyre racks. No more 4 deep stack in the corner. You were starting to think you weren't gonna see me making anything, just see me showing little snippets of it once it's made. Don't worry, don't worry. Here at Tokimotive, we innovate, adapt, overcome. Alright? Alright, okay. I'll set this up. We'll do some time-lapsey stuff so you can see it all the satisfying things. And hopefully soon we'll have a full tyre rack set up on the side of the shed, and I'll be able to start really cleaning up the floor and making this place all... Fuck, I wish I could whistle. Not bad for an evening's work. One night, 10 tyres so far up on the wall. Alright, so we're back out here again. It's a couple of days later. I've been kind of pretty lazy on it, but I'm going to make up a bunch more of those racks, get even more tyres up off the ground, and then go through and start actually cleaning some stuff up, because all the stuff for the L67 rebuild's starting to turn up. So I would like to have things at least clean and tidy. I'm not tripping over things and losing bolts and all that sort of stuff. So I've actually worked out an easier way for me to do it. I've been mocking them up on the wall every time, but I've realised if I make the racks that little bit narrower, the 2-3 ones will fit beside each other easier, and I can just line up the edge of the bars with the edge of the bends on the corners. And in the center, I can just line it up so that they overlap the same width as this U-bar. And that'll fit the 3 tyres nicely. And what else I've noticed is when I shrink the size of it down very slightly, it fits perfectly on this plate that I'm using to weld on. So I should be able to just go by these marks, some rough measurements, slot everything to where it's got to be and just weld it up on this and mock it all up off the wall, and then that'll be a heap easier. I kind of dodgy fixed the tripod, so we'll get a bit of a different angle. I'll get you up close while I weld this together. Getting there slowly. The welder has run out of wire, so I'll sort that out in the morning when I wake up. But got a couple more of the 3 racks made and one more of the singles, which turned out a little funny. The wheel kind of doesn't sit in there very well, but it's only holding one, so it'll do. It'll be fine for now. So far it looks like putting 2 3 racks beside each other is going to work just fine. So I'll do that. But up further, I'll just keep making a bunch of 3 racks until I've got enough to get all the tyres off the ground, and then kind of go through it, clean it up, sort out some workbenches and some shelving and the storage and all the rest of it. And yeah, should have this workshop looking pretty good. Alright guys, well that's the shed cleaning done. There's still a couple of little tiny bits to sort, like arranging certain stuff on the shelves, but I'll just do that over time as I work out where I actually want things again. But it's clean, there's massive area of open floor space, everything's got a home, and I've got so much more space now the tyres are up on the wall. I ended up making 10 3-tyre racks, 2 single tyre racks, and then I've got another big one that I made out of a full-length double bed rail. So I think it's holding, I'll hold about 7 tyres. So I've got plenty of tyre storage now, pretty much all full, but I've got plenty. So I'll take us for a little bit of a tour around, and then we've got an unboxing to do. Alright guys, so this is part of what I've been super excited about, and part of what sparked the whole getting the shed all sorted, tidy, buying a new workbench, all the rest of it, because there was no point setting this up with the place in shambles. But before I open it all up, I want to do a massive thank you to Adam, Speedy Biker UK. If you see him in the comments, give him some love, because he sent the money to pay for this vise for me. I didn't ask for it, didn't know it was coming, and then it's just gonna make my life so much easier. So Adam, thank you very much. I appreciate it a lot. But I'll go ahead and I'll unbox it, and I'll have to think about which end of the table I'm gonna actually set it up on. Like I'm talking, this went through and even shopped for the right vise for me and sent the exact money I'd need for it. Like, I'm just, yeah. That feels good. Fucking nice big wide 150mm jaws. She swivels, which is freaking awesome. I'm thinking I could. That could be a good spot for it. Not sure whether I want to put it on this side of the table or on that side. I guess I can always move it. There's nothing to say it has to stay there. So yeah, another massive thank you. But I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys, because this video is probably getting fairly long and you probably don't want a massive long montage just of me cleaning. But I'm very happy of how my little makeshift workshop is looking. Think about it, I've got nearly 40 tyres off the ground that used to be stacked in the corner and scattered all over the place and just fully in my way. I'm not gonna bolt this down tonight. My phone's about to go flat. It's after 6 AM in the morning and I have not slept. Again, massive thank you, Adam. And if you guys see him in the comments, Speedy Biker UK, give him some love because this is incredible. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here. If you've made it through to the end, thank you very much. If you want to see more and want to support the channel, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You can come check me out on Instagram, or I've got a couple of little things up on TikTok now as well. Just, it's all under Tokimotive, so go check it out. I'll link stuff in the description as well. And yeah, thank you for coming, and I'll see you on the next one.